Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Quickmill Silvano Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the water pump, this one that you see right here, and that's all we did. Last time this machine was here, we replaced the a burn connection on the PID and we gave this machine a tune-up. But this time we had to replace the pump. As you can see, the pump is from 2014, so it's already been working inside that machine for quite a while. And after we replace it, we also check out the components of the machine. We also check for the air valve, if it was steaming or not, and everything was good. So starting with a little bit of steam, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be doing a shot of espresso. We do not have the portafilter of the machine, so hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, and hopefully we can see a good shot of espresso. Now for the steam, as you can see, it's extremely good. Excellent pressure, excellent temperature, working great. So now let's do that shot. Great shot of espresso. Good crema, good color, and excellent flow from the group head, as you can see. Working great. So there you have it. Quickmill Silvano Evo working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.